Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my skincare routine. So if you want to see how I get my clear skin, just keep watching. First things first, take off those lashes. And I always go in with my Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These are my favorite makeup wipes. I've been using them since I started wearing makeup, so it's been years. Look at all that makeup, you guys. I love makeup, but that's honestly kind of gross. Next, I go in with the Tatcha Pure One Step Chamomile Cleansing Oil. So this just dissolves all your makeup very nicely. And you want to make sure you get it all over your face. It's also very hydrating. Next, I go in with the Garnier SkinActive Micellar Water. This stuff is so good. You don't need the Tatcha stuff. As long as you have this, it's fine. Now I go in with the Body Drench, the black mask, and I just do this for my blackheads. I put it on my nose and I leave it in for about 15 minutes just to get rid of my blackheads because they do get clogged since I wear makeup almost every day. Now I go in with my cleanser and I just use the Garnier Deep Pore Facial Cleanser, and I do go in with my Clarisonic. Make sure you change your heads every few months because they do get nasty. And this is just the Burt's Bees Brightening Skin Perfecting Serum. And I have noticed my skin brighter and a more even complexion since I started using this, and it's pretty inexpensive. And just moisturize your lips. That is a must. Now, of course, the Mario Badescu facial spray just to hydrate even more. And now I go in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. I struggle with dark circles underneath my eyes. And then now I go in with the Dermalogica Total Eye Care. And a little goes a long way. Now to moisturize, I go in with the Dermalogica Intensive Moisture Balance. This is really good for dry skin. Okay guys, so that pretty much sums up my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.